This will be a continuation of our Manjaro Mate. Hey, there's one thing that Mate lacks that a lot of people wish it had and use often, and that's online account integration with your cloud accounts. And today we're going to address that. Hello and welcome to the Penguin Revolution. Today we're going to continue our Manjaro Mate video, and we're going to be working on the desktop integration with online accounts. Now, a lot of people say the official solution to this problem is by installing GNOME online accounts, but but with that you have to install the GNOME Settings Center and a bunch of other GNOME dependencies and stuff. It's basically Frankensteining your desktop, and I find that that's kind of a bloated solution anyway. And I'm going to show you how I do it. And what we'll be using is rclone today. So let's go ahead and let's get that installed. We're going to go ahead and open our terminal like that. And we're going to go ahead, of course, we're going to go ahead and log in. I'm just going to log in my terminal into root. Whoops. You probably shouldn't do this, but oh, whoops. Come on. If I can type correctly, of course. So now we're just going to go Pacman dash capital S. Of course. Oh wait, there's supposed to be a space there. And then we're going to go ahead and install rclone. And we're going to go ahead and install it. Alright, so now that we have that installed, rclone is basically a terminal application, so we're going to go ahead and install a GUI. And I'm going to go ahead and exit this, because we are going to now pull something from the AUR. So we're going to go ahead and hit Trizen, which is my AUR helper. A lot of people use Yay. Same deal. Of course, the dash at capital S. And we're going to go and do rclone dash browser. Alright, now it's going to go ahead and build that. Of course, we're not going to edit the package build. These are all available in GitHub, so go ahead and I will leave a link to their GitHubs and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this off while it builds, and I will be right back. And we're back. That took about 3 minutes to compile and build in Trizen. Now you can also build that in any other AUR such as Yay or Polymac or Octopi or whatever you use. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and start up rclone-browser. So that would be in Internet up here. And rclone, sorry. Now we're going to go ahead and press this config right here. Now I knew it was going to do this. It does this in a lot of distributions, and there's a way to fix that. It's actually in a terminal, so we're going to go ahead and start up our terminal again and continue. So we're going to go back to our terminal. We're going to close out of this too. And the way we're going to fix that is we're going to go ahead and type export space terminal, all caps. All caps is important. Okay, equals slash usr slash bin slash, and it's going to be your terminal. And I use the Mate terminal right now, so I'm going to go Mate dash terminal, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit and whoops, I need to type properly, clone dash browser. Now this should work. Now it's going to bring up the rclone-browser, and now we're going to go ahead and config. Now it's going to do your configuration in the terminal, but don't let that scare you. We're going to press N for new remote, and we're going to go and type in the name of our remote. I'm just going to type it as TP for the Penguin Revolution. Alright, now we're going to go up here and find Google. It's compatible with all these. So I'm going to go up and find Google Drive. So that's number 12. So I'm going to go ahead and enter 12 right there. Alright, now all this stuff, we're just going to press enter for default. Now you want the full access for number 1. And now default again and default again. Use advanced config. You're going to do no. N for no. Alright, and then this would most likely be a no for you as well. Alright, now it's going to go ahead and bring up the Google accounts. Now, I'm going to blur this out. So, because it's got some personal information, I don't want anybody to be getting into my Google accounts. But I'm going to go ahead and press one of my accounts right here. And I'm going to go ahead and click allow on the screen. And it's going to have a code. And you're just going to copy and paste that code into your terminal right here. Control-Shift-V. And now it's going to say configure this as a team drive. And that's going to be a no. Okay, and now it's going to be a Y for yes, this is okay. And now you can do this for as many online accounts you got. If you have new ones, you can press N and keep doing that, or you can just go ahead and hit delete remote or etc. Now, this little command that you have to enter to set up, you only have to do that while you're setting it up. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Q for quit. It's going to quit right out of that. And I'm going to hit refresh. And see, there's my remote. Now I'm going to go ahead and close this out. And close this out. This little command, you're only going to have to do this once. Okay? Or anytime you add a remote. So close. Menu. Of course, we're going to go to Internet. Clone. And here it is. And here we can go ahead and we can create new folders or something like that. And I can go ahead and hit download. Download this. And we're going to go ahead and hit copy. And we're going to just go ahead and put it on the desktop. Choose. And I'm going to hit run. There it is. Now I also can take a random file. I'm just going to hit create document right here. Empty file. We're just going to call it new file. I'm going to go ahead and enter in something. And then I can go ahead and I believe I can save. I can go ahead and drag and drop this in here, I think. Maybe not. No, but I can hit upload. Go in here and hit my desktop again. Oh wait, that's a folder to upload. Sorry, whoops. Whoops. Okay, whoops. Sorry, I hit the wrong button. And now I'm going to go hit new file and hit run. And now it's up. And then I go ahead and hit refresh right here. And see, my new file's in there. Now, this is a great solution. As a matter of fact, I use this more than I use Google integration a lot of times. I haven't really used it much of late. They've actually changed this a little bit. That's why I messed it up. But this is actually a perfect way to get your access to your Google without having to go to your browser and all that kind of stuff. I find this a lot easier, and I believe that this is the best solution rather than trying to Frankenstein it with your Mate, your desktop and your GNOME integration and all that stuff. However, if you guys would like to see a video of me doing that, I will be glad to do it. However, it can cause some package conflicts, just letting you know. But have a great day. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and have a great day.